Hey, Serpent, sir. And as you can see, got my hair and pimples. But I'll just show you something that happened this day in here. As you can see, I cut it. It's all gone. My bush, my fro, my warmth. Everything is cold. Sorry. Everything is cold. But welcome to the vlog. Man, this is dramatic. Oh wait, jeez. I always do that. The frequency of these nature walks is just gonna go down because I am allergic to pollen. And spring is coming. Spring is here, okay? It's just coming slowly. I gotta watch out for all those bugs now. They're awake. Also, that last clip you saw, I recorded a week ago. Yeah. Oh, look at. Really have to watch out. Really have to watch out. Spring is here, fam. But it's time to see what happened in this forest. Let's get in there. Just a squirrel just ran past me. Whoa. It's like a squirrel I just interrupted its quality time. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to. Hey, that thing's still there. If you didn't see the last montage. Too bad. I'm not doing a montage this time. I haven't taken any pictures yet, so yeah. But yeah, there's bugs. Bugs are back. I gotta duck my head now. There it is. That thing right there. All right. Just a brief summary of what's going on back there. There's a tree that's growing flowers. That white thing. There's two scarlet trees. Not scarlet. They're not called scarlet trees. I just call them that because they're red leaves. Seems the styrofoam has found its way to shore back there. And I really don't want to go forward, but I'm doing it for you, okay? You better like the video, okay? I'm doing it for you. See, I thought about it, and then I realized how many spiders and the mosquitoes are awake today. So, time to do some other stuff. Hey, be happy I got a video out, okay? I wasn't gonna record this weekend. Jeez. This is scary. Hope I didn't step on that flower thing. I don't see it. I think I stepped on it. Whoop. Hey, flower. Flower. You good? Oh, there you are. You scared me. You scared me. So, look at all this green. It's green. No more brown. Green. Yellow. Green. 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 You wanted a montage? It's not happening. I'm not trying to get pollinated right now. Brown. Green. Green. Yellow. There are like two birds back here. They left. But back to that schedule. Well, I hope you guys liked the video. I sure totally love going out there. My allergy of pollen is just not gonna be happy with me after this. But I will probably post next weekend. That's literally the main point of the channel. If you go to the banner, it says we'll upload on weekends. So expect me to upload on weekends, you know. So anyway, you know, cue the music. Just okay. Dead grass everywhere. There's blue.